You know, even the Quran claim that who is the one? Why the birds? Why the birds are not falling down in the ground? Do you know why?
No, you tell me.
Well, according to the Quran, the bird don't fall down because Allah He hold them from falling down in the sky.
Oh, okay, okay.
Chapter 16, verse number 79.
Okay,
16,
Quran.
79.
Okay, Quran 16:79. Okay, I'm following.
Have they not seen the birds obedient in the mid-air? None hold them save Allah. Hold them from what? In Arabic it says to fall down. So Allah is holding them. How they are holding in the sky? Explain to me. You can't explain. It's Allah is holding them. All right. Do you not look at the birds held poised in the midst of the air, of the sky? Nothing hold them up but the power of Allah.
Oh, wow.
The God of Muhammad, he never heard of something called wings, and he never heard of something called air. And okay, now Muslims, Muhammad, who is the one who's holding F-16? Is that the power of Allah? Who is the one who's holding the satellites? It's not in the middle of the air, it's in the middle of the space. I mean, this stupid.